think we're coming up on 8 weeks post-hurricane. Today's a Saturday. And this goes on 7 days a week here. These huge trucks come in pulling these huge trailers. Maybe they get away with certain rules that way, I don't know. Now we've got all different things here. We've got the piles of mulch on the other side. It's a huge pile of everything metal. Maybe this trailer's going to get loaded up with mulch, I guess. They take that somewhere, bag it, and sell it at Home Depot for $3.50 a bag. Man, I'd like to take my pickup truck over there and get a load. Those trucks keep pulling in, one after the other. Some of them have, like the front rig, some of them have 3, 4 axles. The trailers have 3, 4 axles. It is some act, man. A lot of people making a lot of money.